The early bird catches the worm. Cuckoo and Kiki. Cuckoo always woke up with the first light of the morning. But Kiki liked to sleep late and miss the fresh sunrise. One morning, Cuckoo found a juicy worm wiggling out of the soil. Kiki woke up late and looked everywhere for breakfast, but she couldn't find any worms. Kiki was very sad. She was very hungry. She saw Cuckoo flying towards her from far. Cuckoo smiled and said, "When we wake up early, we find good things." Kiki was happy to get juicy worm to eat. Kiki was very happy after she had her breakfast. She decided to wake up early from now on. Moral of the story: the early bird catches the worm.